Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for ebooks. Start by creating a dedicated Notion page for your ebook. This central hub will house all your writing. Next, set up a database to meticulously organize your chapters and sections. You can define custom properties such as status to track progress, word count to monitor length, and due date to keep you on schedule. This structured approach ensures every part of your ebook is easily accessible and manageable from the outset. Now dive into writing. Create each chapter as its own page within your database. Notion's versatile block editor allows for rich text formatting, headings, and bullet points, making your content clear and engaging. You can also link directly to research, outlines, or character notes, keeping all relevant information connected. This method ensures a seamless writing experience, allowing you to focus on crafting your narrative. Collaboration is key to a polished ebook. Easily share your Notion pages with editors or beta readers, granting them access to your work. They can use Notion's comment feature to provide specific, inline feedback directly on your text. This streamlined process allows you to track revisions and incorporate suggestions efficiently, ensuring your ebook benefits from multiple perspectives before publication. It's a powerful way to refine your manuscript. Once your ebook is complete, it's time to prepare for publication. Notion allows you to export your content in several formats, such as PDF or Markdown, which are excellent starting points for ebook conversion. Carefully review the exported file to ensure all formatting is consistent and correct. This final check is crucial before preparing your manuscript for various publishing platforms, ensuring a professional presentation for your readers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.